Want to turn your blurry, low-res photos into crystal clear 4K masterpieces? Today, I'm showing you how to do exactly that using AIEs. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been looking for an easy, hassle-free way to upscale your images and generate stunning content in 2026, you need to check out AIEs at aies.ai. This platform is an all-in-one AI video and image creation studio designed for creators, teams, and anyone who wants to make professional-grade visuals without needing complex editing skills. To get started, you simply head over to their website and explore their advanced AI tools. The platform features a powerful AI image generator that can transform your ideas into high-quality images instantly. What makes AIEs stand out is that it brings the world's top AI models together in one place. For instance, they feature Nano Banana Pro, which is specifically designed for precise visual control, clean typography, and ultra-refined details, making it perfect for crisp, high-resolution upscaling where clarity truly matters. Now, to be completely transparent, official user reviews for AIEs are still quite limited online, so we don't have a massive list of community pros and cons to share just yet. However, because they offer a Start for Free option directly on their homepage, you can easily test out the image generator and advanced editing tools yourself without any upfront commitment to see how it handles your specific files. If you're ready to bring your ideas to life and give your images that premium 4K look, head over to aies.ai and try it out today. Let me know in the comments how your images turned out. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest AI tips. See you in the next video.